welcome. Today we have Maruti Suzuki's Grand Vitara with us, which is really grand in terms of mileage. Grand is its panoramic sunroof, as well as what is grand is the connectivity as well as safety features which Maruti has tried to give in this particular car. We'll tell you all about that, but firstly let's start with how the car looks from the exteriors. The first thing that you will notice is the chrome grille panel, which is not new for Maruti Suzuki but is really attractive. Onto the sides you have 3-point DRLs, which works both way, dipping indicator as well as the DRLs, and just beneath that you have those projector headlamps. Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara has no fog lamps, so this works in the same manner as well. Now let's come to the sides. The car is really impressive and long when it comes to the length of the car. It's around 4.35 meters in length, and what you can see is that the cladding is also done in a very impressive way. It is not way too much. It has around 210 millimeters of a ground clearance, and it has 17-inch alloy wheels. Onto the top you have the roof rail tail, which is not functional, just for the show, but it is looking quite nice because it is in a different tone. Onto the window sides you have this steel chrome grille, which is also matching in a very perfect manner. But let's tell you how the back of the car looks like. This is also quite very impressive and classy in look, like the front was. But what you will observe is that tail lamps of the car are somewhat in a form of a light bar, which is what we are seeing in the competition right now as well. But not to mention that you have the big Suzuki logo, and the car has the mention of a hybrid, because what we are riding right now is the strong hybrid stop variant, as well as the Nexa is also being mentioned, because this will only be available at the Nexa dealerships. Let's tell you what is the boot space looking like in this particular car. Because it is a strong hybrid, it has the features of running in both the EV mode as well as on the ICE engine. So it has around 177 volts of an lithium-ion battery, which is definitely occupying some kind of a space. So here's your battery pack. But keeping that aside, it has around 310 liters of boot space, and which you get around 380 liters of boot space in a mild hybrid version, which is also quite very impressive and commendable when we look onto the category this car belongs to. Taking Grand Vitara's strong hybrid top variant for a spin, and I'll tell you how the interiors are looking like and how is the driver comfort. Onto my front I have a round steering wheel with some basic connectivity features. Onto my left I can control the volumes, and onto my right I have all those cruise controls. In the front I have the analog, which tells me which mode I'm driving in. Like right now, when my speed of the car is almost 20 kilometers per hour, I'm at the EV mode. That's how it's adjusts. So the car has a 9-inch infotainment screen which comes with 40 plus connectivity features. This car has 360-degree camera view as well, which I must say has a good quality. Beneath that is the space for AC vents, and you also get a wireless charging at the bottom. Grand Vitara also has an EV mode where the electric motor takes over entirely and the battery is the only source of power. But in order to switch into this, your battery must be charged at least 50%. Otherwise, you can switch to the driver mode, and in this you get an option of ventilated seats. And it is comfortable ride. I can actually adjust my steering wheel. I'll show you how. If I'm here, so I can pull it, I can push it, I can also adjust the height of the steering wheel. Just don't try it while you're driving. It's only to tell you how we do this. And into the interiors, if you see, this particular model has the whole of the interior done in a black finishing. You have some different kind of combinations, like here it is the hard plastic, you have some kind of leatherette material as well, but the other variants also have dual tone of interiors that comes in a black and a brown. Now that we have experienced the top model of strong hybrid, let's tell you the other options available. You have two versions of Grand Vitara, Smart Hybrid and Intelligent Electric Hybrid or Strong Hybrid. Top two models, which are Zeta Plus and Alpha Plus, comes under Strong Hybrid, while you get 4 options in Smart Hybrid, which starts with Sigma, which is the base model, and then it goes to Delta, Zeta and finally Alpha. Both versions are equipped with 1.5-litre engines. Smart Hybrid has 4 cylinders capable of producing 103 horsepower, whereas Intelligent Electric Hybrid has 3 cylinders which will produce a little lower 92.45 horsepower. Smart Hybrid comes with both options, 5-gear manual transmission and 6-gear automatic transmission, while the Strong Hybrid is equipped with eCVT transmission. The most exciting part of Grand Vitara is the mileage. Company claims to have 21.11 kilometers per litre of mileage in Smart Hybrid manual transmission, and all-grip variant is at 19.38. But when it comes to Strong Hybrid version, then it's claimed to have 27.97 kilometers per litre, which is no doubt best in class. Okay, so now we are at the back seat, so let's explore what's in the store. Firstly, let's start from the leg room. It's quite very sufficient. For me, I'm 5 feet 6 inches tall, and even the headroom is comfortable for me. The seats are quite very comfortable, and another comfort feature you get in Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara is the armrest. We get for all the 3 passengers, there's the headrest, and you can adjust your AC, the temperature as well, because you get an AC vent. This is quite a basic feature that they have given with 2 charging points. One is quite unique, C-type, and the other one is the normal USB. Safety is one of the key highlights and the key focus area for Maruti Suzuki, and this car is equipped with 6 airbags. Another feature that is quite unique in Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara is the panoramic sunroof. It's quite really huge if you see, and the feel is also quite very amazing. So of all the options available, just one variant comes in its 4-wheel drive, and that's the Smart Hybrid, the top variant. And to experience the power of this one, the company has arranged this off-roading track. So let's check that out. So that was the off-roading experience where we experienced 10 different tracks, and that was really fun. Well, the off-roading experience was really crazy, but let me tell you from the interiors what's actually different in the Smart Hybrid Alpha variant. Here we get 4 different modes of driving. We start in the auto mode because it's an all-wheel drive, so it adjusts accordingly. If we want to keep the acceleration maximum in control, we switch to the snow mode, and the opposite to that, giving the maximum power to your wheels, is the sport mode. And the best of the snow and sport you get in the lock. And the another feature of this particular car is when we are going up or coming down from the hill, we can activate the hill descent function, and once this gets activated, you can see the green blinking light. That's all about Maruti's Grand Vitara, which stands apart in terms of hybrid technology, mileage, features and design. But don't you forget to follow us for more such interesting videos.